Parking lot quiet, lying. Parking lot quiet, lines under my tires, like words I swallowed when I got too tired. Windshield fogged up, I draw a little lane with my thumb on the glass, easing out the strain. Floodlights loud, it don't know how to care, but that amber doorway warms the cold in the air. Keys click in my palm, I loosen my grip. Funny how the tightest hold is where I slip. Clouds roll back like a curtain slow, and the moon leans in like take it low. It don't ask for reasons, don't press my chest, just makes the dark feel less like a test. Silent mode, let it all go now. Set the heavy down, let the midnight run. The moon draws a line back home, and I follow it slow till I'm not alone. Silent mode, breath by breath I come. Turn the lights off in my head, one by one. Rearview mirror, catching them worn out eyes, like I fought a whole room full of noise and lies. Phone still glowing, names stacked in a row. I hit silent mode, let my heartbeat show. High-rise windows blink like